Alright, it's a little dark out here, but me and Mike are headed out to a show. Come here, Mike.
Hey.
You got your thermometer? What you got there?
16 degrees.
Oh, that's here, and we're going up to the mountains.
Yep.
You know, the high up there is going to be 18. So 16 degrees, and it's, what time is it?
4:45.
4:45. All right, let's go to the diehards.
That's it.
All right, we'll see you guys up there. Jacktown. Jacktown for your snow show.
Jacktown 2022.
2022. All right. All right, we're getting pretty close. It's, what time we got there, Mike? 6:37?
Yep.
We're almost here. What's your thermometer say over there, buddy?
7
degrees.
7
Fahrenheit.
degrees.
7 degrees Fahrenheit. Ay, ay, ay.
This is proper cold.
Maybe they'll have the fire going. Hopefully they'll have the bonfire going.
I hope so. I don't know what we're doing here. Look at that. Oh, I see some lights.
I do. I see some activity.
Oh boy.
And the sun's starting to come up.
We're late.
I don't see no fire though, Mike.
Oh boy.
I don't see a whole lot of people either.
I see a couple trucks.
Yeah. They got the lights on. Huh. I see one person set up. Oh, look at this. Got a traffic jam here, Mike.
Yep. Whole convoy
Look
coming
at
in.
Look at them.
all.
Oh my God.
We're waiting in line.
That's it. We
Yep.
can't get in.
Jacktown. They didn't light the fire yet.
You see that deadbeat scout crafter anywhere?
Ah.
Oh yeah, look at them. This ain't nothing like it was last year though, Mike. Remember it was Christ.
We'll give it some time. I'd say by about 8 o'clock it'll start filling up. Where are we gonna park at?
6:30. I don't know. Take a drive through. Let's see what's going on.
All right. Oh, is that Jonathan over there?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, is that Jonathan, Rob, Charles?
Let's go see who's over here.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna come back this far, Mike.
Oh, somebody sent it back this far.
Really? Oh yeah, look at that. Huh. I seen the bonfire, but it wasn't lit yet.
Yeah, so the pile.
Yeah, look at this.
Ah, it is Jonathan.
Is
Look
it?
at him.
Put down your window. Did you save us a spot?
Huh?
Did you save us a spot? Look who it is.
Right over there.
Look who it is. Jonathan.
Hit and misfit.
Hit and misfit,
Right.
Jonathan.
Yeah.
All right, where are we going to park? Oh, he's got a smudge pot.
Yeah. I was gonna pull my truck in over here. You guys want to go there or there? Or
Maybe we'll park over
I can park my truck there.
Maybe we'll park over here, Jonathan.
Yeah, wherever.
All right,
All right.
let's start the bonfire.
Well, I'll start that. That's a bonfire.
All right.
All right.
We'll turn you guys back on when they start the fire.
Yeah. Right here.
Here's the bonfire. Mike was going to park here. When this thing kicks up, it throws heat for, Christ, quarter of a mile. He's gonna lose his headlights and his grill. Everything plastic is going to melt.
Maybe we'll move over a couple feet there, huh?
Yeah. Or you know, I would go across the street, park next to Jonathan.
Yeah?
Yeah, make him feel wanted.
All right.
All right. All right. It's about 8:30, and the place is filling up. I mean, pretty good considering it's only about 10 degrees out. And they finally started the fire. That thing's usually lit by around 5:30, 6 a.m., but they were waiting for the fire marshal. Fire marshal had to be here. Burning fast, too. Right. You take a walk around the front and see what's going on up here. Yeah. You can't expect too much. Like I say, it is 10 degrees. Last year at this time it was about 60 and this place was packed, so. Just a lot of fleece stuff. Mike already sold some stuff. I sold a couple little things, which is good. Right, let's go back to the store. Yeah, Mike sold his Woody. There's a nice Woody here. I think he sold for 450 bucks. And I think he sold the lawnmower in it too. So it was worth it. What's the trip? Alright. My buddy Rob is down here. Maybe I'll take a walk down here. Alright. We're over here at Buddy Rob's. You say Rob?
Hey, there's Road King.
Look at it. You guys don't recognize me. He's all furred up.
Yeah, furred up, and I got my brown one-piece suit on, just like everybody else.
His jumpsuit.
What is it? What is it? Like 9 degrees out or something?
Oh my God! You should have been here early when the men were here.
Yeah. Hey, you got to figure: are we dedicated or are we stupid?
I don't know.
Dedicated to being
Look at this.
You're at 540.
You might as well give them away at the price of kerosene.
That's what I said to somebody else this morning.
Yeah, I'd say it's a pretty good show. Success for considering the temperature. Usually they have hot dogs out there. They'll bring hot dogs and sticks and marshmallows and stuff. And I think in the building they probably have free donuts and hot chocolate. So I think I might make my way over there. All right. It's about noon. We're loading up now, packing up. We're gonna stop by our buddy Jonathan's and drop this off. He bought this off of Mike, so I think Mike has an engine he wants, so he's gonna swap engines with a little money. And yeah, looks like things are packing up. So looks like the fire's almost out over there. Oh yeah. It's like a ghost town up here. Wow. What a beautiful dog. Big. Alaska Malamute, I bet that size. Alright. So hey, we'll see you guys over at Jonathan's. Alright. Alright, we're at Jonathan's place, and we got to unload this thing. This is pretty big. Matter of fact, this is all together. This box here is the gas tank and the big engine itself. I think it's a 4-horse. But anyway, got to do it manually. We got to try and find some ramps. There he is up there.
See how it's like laid out. It has everything.
Yeah.
Everything's such a way.
I mean, yeah. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to get everything.
Here's his collection. Watch out, Mom. You don't want to be on TV.
I know.
Here's the old Model T. Does that thing run? Does it still run, Mom?
Of course.
Of course it does. He just tucked it in for the winter.
Although he had it out Christmas Eve.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Huh.
$5 for the video.
Yeah. Oh, look, he's got Mike on the side of the... There's Mike and his honey on the side of the engine here.
I'm just spitballing things here. I'm just bringing stuff down.
All right, I'll turn this back on when we start dragging that thing out. All right. Yeah, we backed the truck up right up to the hill here and slid it out. I couldn't film it because I was helping him. But that's the best we could do. We didn't have any kind of ramps or equipment. And Jonathan can drag out where he wants now, hook his one of his tractors up to it. So let's go inside, see what Mike is going to bring home with us. All right, here's what Mike wants to take. You actually sold this to him, didn't you, Mike?
I did. He bought it for me a few years ago, but now I need it back.
Mike wants to mount this in his truck.
Yeah.
His work truck, right?
Yeah. Yeah, man, the work truck, and I'm thinking about putting it's water cooled, so I'm thinking about trying to hang a radiator down underneath the body of the truck. Cool it that way. Oh yeah, I think those will work nice.
Yeah, it'll work.
Either we can even do them upside down so it doesn't grind on this.
Well, we're gonna try to go with the wheels up that, right?
Oh, okay, yeah.
I think that'll work just.
I think it'll work fine.
Dan, let's go.
It's gonna be top loaded, so just grab your chair.
All right. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. You said it was 800 pounds, Jonathan?
No.
This is 600 or 700.
600 or 700.
It's a chunk of cast iron.
we're able to maneuver the truck and make the tailgate as low as possible. Because we're on an inclined driveway here, so that helped a little. And then put it on these short little ramps. And
Well, I didn't run it to screw it up.
we're able to push it up there, so
No, I know.
that's good. Saved us a trip. Alright, maybe we'll see you back at the house. Alright, we're back home here now, and actually starting to snow. You probably can't see it on film, but starting to snow down this way. And Mike had just left, so sorry that wasn't much of a video, you know, because when we're at that show, we're pretty busy, you know, talking to people and looking for stuff, and really not much time in the video. And then when I got to we got to Jonathan's house and loaded and unloaded them engines, you know, I had to shut the camera off and help, you know. I'm not much help, but just that little bit helps a lot. So sorry about that. This should be a short one, and at least you see what was going on. So all right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Starting to snow pretty bad here. Starting to get a little heavy. All right, see you later.